Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can search by images on Pinterest. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now tap on the search icon. After that, tap on the little camera icon beside the search bar. Now take the picture and then wait until Pinterest shows you related pictures. Now keep on scrolling and find the pins of your choice. And that's it. This is how you can view the pins similar to the picture you clicked on Pinterest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.